so today we're going to be cutting open a squishy, which is unfortunately broken. So I have this banana squishy. It's very stretchy, and so yeah, let's cut it open. I don't know whether to start at the top or just go straight in the middle. Oh, what is that? Okay, so. Oh, yeah, does that it's like kinetic sound. Oh, I'm gonna split it down the. That is literally like bananas. Like literally. It's a banana squishy and it's literally like bananas, isn't it? Okay. Ooh. Oh! Oh! Ew. This is disgusting. And the last little bit. This is disgusting. Poor banana, didn't know what was coming for it. Okay, stop doing that, please. Oh, that actually is quite nice. It's like dough. Like literally like dough. So yeah, that was just a quick one for today. So sorry we haven't done one in like a month or something. Also, Dad, you have a spider on you. Like literally there. Okay, anyway, yeah, so that's all for today's episode. Hope you liked it. Also, today I had my second jab. I have 3 stickers on me. If you were wondering what that was. Yeah, so pretty good. And then we got sweet, and then I got. Can you stop? I also have a stinking cold, which is really annoying. So that's it. If you want to say hello to Daddy. He doesn't really want to show his face right now because he's a weirdo. He's just doing the camera like it's his face. Aren't you, Daddy? So sorry if that makes you feel sick, anybody. But yeah, that's all for today's episode. Hope you liked it. Bye!
You did, so like and subscribe.
Oh yeah, also like it. Subscribe. Thank you. Now bye-bye.